Wow! Behold the beauty of this place, Gurudwara Gursagar Sahib, near Sukhna Lake. It's at Chandigarh in India. So as I've already told you, as I already number of my videos that already we have started a great yoga venture. Yogis from different parts of the world are landing. And one thing, Shashi Prashar, who happens to be a renowned yogi and Dubai, wonderful guy. So just by his grace, I got a chance to go deep into the sutras, Patanjali Yoga Sutras. Here is a message for the Westerners now especially. As in 1973, I experienced Samadhi. Let's not talk of, it's a message especially for the Western world, Americans. See, what exactly happens, lineage is very important, very, very important. As in the lap of a mother, we learn language, our mother tongue, without making any conscious efforts or going through, alphabets or grammar, just in her lap. We start speaking fluent language, maybe English, Hindi, Punjabi, whatever. So here depends, In yoga too, see, as I experienced Samadhi in 1973, because I was in the lap of a perfect master, my lineage, Devraha Baba, and my master who gave me, induced Samadhi in me, years back, Shri Yudhishthira Prasad Tripathi from Jabalpur, Baglamukhi Shakti Peeth. He was the master. His body is no more in this world as 5 elements, again in the Brahma. So, master of Vajoli, Khechari. So, if you want to go in Samadhi, especially for the Westerners, lineage is very important. If you talk of yoga, first check, thoroughly cross-question whether your yogi is your master who is going to do Samadhi in you, who is going to give you the initiation. Is he a yogi or mere talk or flowery speeches? No. India is ours as a land. I prostrate in the feet of all Naga Babas and all the masters, yoga masters. So, for the Westerners, I am telling you, in my life, I first time ever met an American yogi, Hatha Yogi, master of the knowledge, unbelievable. Then your Vajoli Khechari, who happens to be a Buddhist monk, Vek Rinpoche, from California. He remains in dark retreat for months together. It itself can lead you to Samadhi. Controlling your senses, as Lord Krishna says, So here is a message for the Americans, the Westerners, to learn. As a child in the lap of mother learns mother tongue without any, following rules. So here is the lap for you, Mr. Vek Rinpoche's cozy lab for the Westerners. So you can join him. Go to right now on YouTube, Vek Rinpoche. So you will be in the very safe hands and the cozy lap of a big, great yogi who has already experienced Samadhi, and I was his in company. Being a yogi, me too, from Highland Ranges, experience of caves. He's the right person. In the lap of a mother, you will be induced Samadhi. Most welcome, join and come to this place, Gurudwara Gursagar Sahib, as it's my abode now, for some years could be. Welcome to this place to experience Samadhi. Again, it's a thanks, it's a message of gratitude for Shashi, Yogi ji, who gave me a sight of what? Patanjali Yoga Sutras. Even after experiencing Samadhi, it's a wonderful thing to go side effectly, as even after doing your English, you have sometimes, we forget to know who is the father of the modern English as William Chaucer. So, Jai Mahakal.